The word we'll be learning in this video is sonaeru, which you will often hear when discussing preparations for emergencies or events. Imagine how much more natural your Japanese will sound when you can say things like, I always prepare for the worst. It's important to equip yourself for the future. How do we prepare for the upcoming event in Japanese? Let's get started. Sonaeru. Sonaeru. The word sonaeru means to prepare or to equip something in advance. It can refer to being ready for unexpected situations, such as disasters, or providing necessary tools and resources. The first kanji means to prepare or equip, carrying the sense of making something ready or keeping it in reserve. In the word bichiku, it gives the idea of storing supplies ahead of time, like a reserve for emergencies. In the word bihin, it means items that are prepared or provided for use, equipment kept ready. This kanji often appears when something is arranged or provided so people can rely on it. We prepare for disasters. 私たちは災害に備えます。私たちは災害に備えます。We prepare in advance. 私たちは事前に備えます。私たちは事前に備えます。It is important to prepare for disasters. 災害に備えることが大切です。災害に備えることが大切です。You should prepare for disasters. 災害に備えるべきです。災害に備えるべきです。The most common synonyms of the sonaeru are 準備する and 用意する. 準備する means to prepare something in a general sense, often related to tasks or events. 用意する specifically implies preparing something for use, focusing more on the arrangement or provision of items or resources. The most common antonyms of the sonaeru are 忘れる and 無視する. 忘れる means to forget, which implies a lack of preparation or awareness. 無視する means to ignore, suggesting a deliberate choice not to prepare or acknowledge the need for readiness.